Hello everyone, my name is Claudia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reorganizing my old office and creating a workspace in the closet. So if you like videos about organization and decluttering, then keep on watching. So here's my old office. It has so much stuff in it. It just became a room where I was just putting a whole bunch of stuff I just didn't need. But now I need this room to serve as a small office space as well as a workout room. Stay tuned for that video coming out shortly. Today I want to focus on making my closet into my new office space. So let's get started. If you know me, I like to take everything out so I can start with a blank slate. I started by clearing everything off my old office desk so that I could use the base of that desk for another purpose. I plan to put the base of that desk in the closet and use another top for the top of the desk. You'll see that later on in the video. Now I'm going to get started working on the closet. There's a lot of stuff in there that needs to come out because it has stuff in there for my printing. There are things in there I use to record videos, and then office supplies that you'll see on the top. Time to move the printer. Fortunately, it's on wheels. That made it really easy. As for this file cabinet, I use these sliders to put underneath anything that's heavy. That makes it so much easier to move heavy furniture. Now it's time to vacuum. As you can see, I've already put the base in the closet. This wood top that you see, I used in my laundry room as a countertop, but now I think it would fit better as a desk in this closet. And as you see, it was a perfect fit. I then had to elevate the printer stand because it was a little too low. I had to elevate it so that it would have clearance for the printer paper to come out.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down.
Now it's time to put everything in its place and make this space functional.
Both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real.
So here is the reveal of my new office space. I am so happy with the way it turned out. I was able to create a workspace and store everything I need to work with. The LED lamp that you see on the right gave me plenty of light so I wouldn't feel like I was in a tight space. It made the space nice and bright and easy to work in. There was plenty of space on top for me to store all of my paper and my envelopes and all my miscellaneous office supplies. And as you see, I had space for my labels with that under shelf storage and my clipboard. My printer fit perfectly right there, and it just turned out better than I expected, and I'm really happy with the outcome. If you were ever considering converting your closet into an office space, I hope that the ideas that I've shown you here would be helpful. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like and subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you enjoyed my closet reorganization, and I'm going to link some other videos here on the screen so you can check those out. And until I see you again, hugs and love. Bye.
It's all so blue.